try to see if we can find somebody to do the brakes on the truck. You know, I told y'all me and my partner, me and my bro, Boss Man, still young, my bad, y'all. In the morning, the boys got them getting to it. Anyway, me and my bro were gonna do it at Boss Man, still young, at Still Young Garage for YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We was gonna get together and do it because I gotta do the brakes on both cars. Well, I gotta do the brakes on Blue Dream and Killer Croc. Killer Croc when I'm in there, the truck. And Blue Dream, the Charger, y'all know that. So I gotta do the brakes on all of them, and then on the Charge I gotta do rotors, and on the Charge I think I gotta do rotors and brakes. I think it's just brake pads on the truck, you know what I'm saying? Something simple. But like I said, it's been being hot as hell in Dallas, man. Dallas been in the hundreds, and the hundreds feel 10 degrees hotter than whatever it is. So if it's 104, it feel like 114. If it's 102, you get where I'm going, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it been too hot. And not only is it too hot, even though I do got a little shed, I got my little shed in the back, but I'm on an incline. And I ain't got no jack stands, and I really don't got a good jack like that. I need at least 2 good jacks. I don't got one, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go and see if I can find somebody that can hook us up right quick. That way I can get some content, and I ain't gotta be trying to park. Y'all know I still ain't got my tripod either. Took the time when I got no other tripod. So I ain't even trying to deal with propping the phone up to let y'all see I fuck with this shit. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see how to do a brake job on these motherfuckers. I don't feel like trying to prop the phone all up on the pole and prop it up on shit to let y'all see it. And I don't feel like sweating my whole brain out this mug. It's already, it's still 10 o'clock in the morning and it's already 90-something degrees. I'm talking about, damn. So hopefully we get somebody that can handle it, help us handle this right quick. Alright, so we still gotta do the Charger. So we still might have some content, me and bro. That's Still Young Garage. Still might have some content, me and bro doing the. Still might have some content, me and bro doing the Charger. You know what I'm saying? And cause I gotta paint the brake caliper on that. I really want to paint the brake caliper on the truck too. But right now we're just focused on getting the brake right. Cause like I say, I can't be driving the Charger every day like I did last week. She might need to go somewhere. She might want to do something. So, you know, and it's her car now. So, you know, I'm going to see what I can do on the truck, man. We'll be back later, y'all. What to do, man? We back, man. Y'all see where we at? Right here on the corner, man. They had fucked with my Cutlass before too. Y'all know they had one day, the last time I messed around the Cutlass hitting the block, something had went wrong with my carburetor. I pulled up here, they helped me got it right just to make it home, you know what I'm saying? They ain't charged me nothing. So I'm doing the brakes and the brakes on the rear end of the truck, you know, doing the brakes on the back of the truck. Finna get the rotors and stuff done too eventually. Well, I'm gonna do the rotors probably on the back of the truck now. Rotors and brakes on the back right now. And then eventually I'm gonna do the front. I don't need nothing on the front right now. I did them maybe a year ago. They still good, but the ones on the front, did them doing the back now on the truck. And on Blue Dream, like I told you, we gotta do the front and the back. So on Blue Dream, I'm gonna take the pads back and get the deal with the rotor and the pads together. Probably for the front and the back. Hopefully we don't need the back, but just say the front and the back. If not, just do the front, what we need or whichever one we need. But yeah, we're getting the truck done now, and eventually, once we get the back done on the truck, we're gonna jump to Blue Dream and do the front and back or whatever we need. Then we're gonna jump back to the truck and probably do the front and finish up the cam face stuff and finish getting it up to par. Once we get them back up to par running good, like I told you, like they was before, they still running good, but when we get them back up to running perfect like they were before, then we're gonna get back to the cars and ready to get back to tricking them out. And we got a lot of other surprises coming, y'all. One on my own. I ain't mean to talk y'all. Devil one on my own. One of them is on. I gotta do the I was gonna paint the brake caliper, but that's why I said I ain't have no jack or no jack stand to sit it on just to actually go find it, like that color green or that color green, like I gotta get some more this tie. It got a hole in it. I still ain't really got it plugged, y'all. I'm gonna go get it plugged probably today or tomorrow. Well, no, I can't do it today. I gotta go work. We're gonna go get that tire plugged to last for a while. What y'all think about putting a lift on this thing? I need to clean all that, get all that clean up in there and spray paint it, stitch it or something. You know what I'm saying? Killer Croc, man. Look, y'all. Look at this shit. Today, what's today? I gotta get the brake booster, the ABS on the front. That shit it messed up. I gotta get the ABS, the brake booster on the front, man. They say that shit costs like $800. But no, I don't got it. Lord, help me. What we gonna do? If anybody know a cheaper place to get the parts for the ABS, I gotta do the like I said, the brake booster on the front. It's like $800 to start, probably like $600-700 worth of parts, depending on where you get them from. And then it's probably gonna be another $3. Sorry for the noise. They got the diesel on there, and it's probably gonna be another $300-400. You know what I'm saying, for the labor on it. So you're looking at a $1,300 to $1,500 or more job. Just doing that, man. You know what I'm saying? Just doing the brake booster. But if you want to ride correct, want to get it all the way up and right, what you gotta do. And they do brakes, shocks, struts, rotating balance, oil change, shocks, struts, brakes, CV axle, Cadillac converter, mufflers, any suspension work, man. Then they'll do some mechanic work too. I'll show y'all better picture later on. We'll be back. He on the right side though. I need me one of them jacks though. Y'all see that Daytona? That motherfucker can pick up a bus. That bitch can pick up a bus, man. That bitch can pick up a bus. It's out of there. I gotta get new rotors. They can't be flipped, y'all. I thought they could. See, it's different for the front, y'all. As y'all see, gang, gotta get a rotor. You know what I'm saying? So, probably finna walk over here to XL Auto Parts and get one. You know what I'm saying? Walk over here, they got the part at XL Auto Parts over there. Walk over there, get a rotor or two. Get a rotor or two, man. Get 2 brand new rotors or one. You know what I'm saying? The one I need, probably just for now, you know what I'm saying? Because the other one I got is Gucci Tarantino, they say. So it's back on now. 2. Yeah, 2. Just rear wheel. Yeah, she ain't the 4x4. Got the left one back on already, man. Probably gonna go over here see what they wrote on. Look at the pigs, man. Gang. Y'all see what it is. Got a nigga walking, bro. I gotta walk with the part back. Good, the part store right there one. I should have got all this shit that I needed in the first place, but hell, I ain't having to go through everything, bro. You know what I can get y'all when I get back over here.
I ain't had nothing to do, so I agree with all this shit that
I so appreciate that. That's why I was telling old boy I needed to agree. I need to go do them bearings.
Now they were kind of tight. You ain't had no grease on them.
I so appreciate it, man. I see one new road on there, brand new, man. I ain't need the other one yet. Fuck it, you know my broke ass, cheap ass, y'all know it. I'm gonna get the charger done though. ASAP it done. That boy still good. You know what I'm saying? Get the charger done ASAP. I'm gonna get right back, y'all. Fucked up, gang. I know they probably got insurance, but these motherfuckers be doing too much, man. Let me go and go before they try to block the road on some shit. Look at this shit, man. Gang, y'all, these people gotta be careful on how they drive, man. Can't just be doing shit. Go! Cause I damn sure ain't waiting for who. Why she trying to wait and look at shit? See what I'm saying, gang? That's how people get hit, being nosy and shit. Get your motherfucking ass on, man. You know what I'm saying? Ambulance don't know where to go. The wreck down there, look at them. They finna go somewhere else. My bad on the camera view. It's the hood, man. These motherfuckers don't know what they be doing, fam. Be doing too much. Gang, I think I just seen my partner come through on that bitch. I think he got the chain on there. I showed y'all on my story today. I didn't really get to do a video. We had went to Tractor Supply in Walmart. Tried to get a little chain. I'm gonna walk down here for a little second. I know he went all the way around the block. You know we be in the city with these things. But if that's him, I know he gonna pull up on me. He want me to fuck with the idol. You know I don't never be clean or nothing, but I ain't feel like doing that. I'm just chilling, but you know it ain't nothing to turn the idol screw up for, or turn it down, tune it a little bit better, cause you gotta get it car clean. But the main thing that was wrong with it, he kept breaking chains. The chain we got today was too big and too long, but only thing he had to do was get the thing to break the sprocket on the chain and size it to what he needed, and put the clamp that comes with it back in there. But yeah, he gone around the block now, man. I'm gonna show y'all if he pull up, if that's him or if that's the other old boy that be having the four-wheel and shit. All right. My boy, I told y'all, man, we live and active with these motherfuckers. I knew it was him. Don't fuck, baby, up. I told y'all we live and active with the motherfucker. I'm finna get back right, y'all, man. I don't know, man. Y'all know, y'all gotta keep me motivated, gang. Fam. You know, I be having a lot of family things going on, no matter what I do for the fam, no matter how I keep them crunk and hype them up, you know. We got to stay active on these toys and keep our toys together like we supposed to. I was just finna say, oh, fuck it, it didn't break, did it?
No, hell no.
No, it just still got enough slack. It is good you left, it's good when you broke it and cut it, that you left enough slack for that. You might have to keep doing that. Your ass can't do your stunts like you want to, I know. But nah, bro, you got like a 250 or 200 cc, boy. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. In a minute, I'm gonna look at what's name up. I'm really gonna have to fold that bitch in the light, bro, if you don't mind. That way we can tune it all the way. But I knew it was you. Get what? How I knew it was you now? Like you said, I was thinking it was old boy in the pink. I heard that bitch. I was sitting in the truck. I said, "Say, let me get out right quick." I saw for the walk to the corner, but if it's my partner, I know he gonna pull back up on me. I said, but I ain't gonna wait. I'm gonna go on and start the video. I said, let me go see if that's my partner. I go to the end of the road. I said, yeah, that was him. I said, cause if it was the nigga on the pink, he wasn't gonna be in it like that. When I came to the corner, your ass and I already got blank. I couldn't see you no more. I said, look at the video. Y'all see him when he come back, man. I said, this our little toy. Oh, yeah. You definitely get leave to let that be cool. How long you been on it? I know you came all the way from over there.
Yeah, then I went to the store. I done ran that bitch around the store.
Then you went back. Yeah, that bitch definitely. That's why I said that blocker get goddamn me ice. I mean, red hot, my nigga. That bitch a crack.
Nigga have to bring this hoe to the shop tomorrow. This shit, dude. Nigga can't keep doing this.
Oh, we definitely gonna goddamn me get that bitch right in the daytime.
Yeah.
Good thing is it back active though. What it is, like I said, what popping the chain out now, it probably just got too much slack in.
Tune that bitch like that now.
Yeah, just then what it was when the nigga was going in the circle, like I said, it put a slant. We'll get back at y'all gang, goddamn. I told y'all, man, we gotta get back active on this shit. I'm finna goddamn me, like I said, I need to see stuff like this and keep me active, cause I gotta get my shit fixed, man, so we can get out here and mob, hit these streets, man. So y'all stay tuned, y'all keep it motivated, man. Y'all do what y'all do, cause hey, man, no matter what you got going on, this be a nigga peace, man. We get on these things and have fun, ride the city, you know, have our little peace. me get back at y'all. Feel the damn heat to be on that bit. I can feel it coming off from back here.
Be hot than a motherfucker.
That aftermarket exhaust gonna help that out a lot too.
All that heat and shit.
Yeah. I mean, it's still gonna get hot. It just ain't gonna get hot as quick. You're gonna be able to breathe a little better. And you got one, but I'll leave it on the one I was about to say. You know, you can change it to dual too, just like.
Hey, yeah, I want that bitch to be louder than some bitch.
Oh yeah.
Come on, bitch, take that. Yeah, I'm about to say, I'm done. Fuck it.
Right up in there, jam.
Bitch. Come on. Let's go, bitch.
Oh. Shit, nah, that's what it be most of the time, nigga. It be. Okay. Yeah, what it gonna be? Once they do it, they gonna take that screw and tighten it up, cause you can't take no link out of that. I can already tell.
That nigga got to pull this bitch back on.
Yeah, to see. At least adjust it, like you said, adjust your swing arm on the back, because if you take another link out, it's gonna be too tight for when you do need it to be loose enough to where when you pop the clutch, you can put it back on like you did.
Yeah.
It's supposed to tighten up when you get on the throttle. It will, but basically, like you said, they just gonna.
It was cause like right when the nigga jumped up off that bitch to turn that bitch.
Yeah.
Right when I let that pressure go, they heard.
So yeah, that slack, and then it's leaning to the side. As long as it's straight, on the straightaway, you ain't gotta worry about what's up.
Nigga flying that hoe down the street.
Y'all see what it is, gang. My bad about the camera vision. Y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. We're gonna keep some shit lit for y'all. Baby hot. Y'all know how it go. There she go. We gotta clean that carburetor too. That's either what that is. Yeah. We probably gotta get some. I can smell it like mine. Eventually get some carburetor cleaner tomorrow. That bitch gonna respond way better. You might not want to, but you still gonna want to govern it down. Who the fuck gonna kill it? But yeah, that carburetor cleaner gonna give it a boost too. I can tell, just even if it don't up the speed a lot, it help that cranking. You know what I'm saying? Got like the wheels on that bitch. Yeah, we active, man. Y'all know how it go. Like I say, I don't get to get as many videos, y'all, because we've been working on these things, getting everything back together. And, you know, we got a lot of other stuff to do. Still got to work. If people got 9 to 5, some of us, we work. You know what I'm saying? We still got side hustles, still got families and stuff. So, you know, it be love when we link together on this. Because, like I said, whatever we going through in the household, whatever. This type of stuff bring peace to us, you know what I'm saying? We able to forget about all that and go have fun. So that's always a win, man. Y'all need to link up if y'all fuck around. Like I said, make sure y'all go like, subscribe, all that to the channel, man. All right, we out. We'll be back later.